So this is a national park, and I can't remember the name of it, but we'll see in a minute. And we were just down at a waterfall, which is quite lovely. Bon voyage. And now back out to the main road, which really hasn't been all that interesting the past so many miles. And in front of us is the other people on this tour. James and his wife Joanne, they're from Australia. And they just got here from a 3-week ride in India. You name a country and they've been on a ride in it. She's a real trooper. They were on a ride somewhere in South America. And they got forced off the road. She went flying. She broke one ankle and crushed her terms, the other one. And she was in the hospital for a month before they could get on a plane and fly back to Australia, where she had to recuperate. But she's a real trooper. I mean, she gets right on and she goes. And he's a very good rider. Interesting fellow, retired. He had an engineering company. And they did all kinds of work, and somebody came in and bought it. So I guess he made enough money that he can retire and travel the world on these motorcycle rides. To catch up here. This has been a nice ride. We're not going crazy fast. Like right now we're doing 70 miles an hour, 110 kilometers an hour. We've been a little bit faster than that, but mostly a little slower. I'm the slowest through these curves because I'm not used to these speeds. But I'm not worried about it. They're not going to run off and leave me. So, I don't know how well this little camera shows. Oh shit, what is this? Road construction. No likey. I don't know if you can see, but the atmosphere here is not clear. And I don't know if it's just the humid weather pattern. It's very humid. Better shut up and pay attention here. Or if it's pollution. I don't think it's pollution. I mean, it could be, but I don't know. But it's been like this ever since I got here. In fact, I noticed when we were flying in from Hong Kong that it was so hazy, you know, I felt like the pilot was going to have to make an instrument approach because you couldn't see anything. It's a little bit better than that today. Wait, you know, they're just going too fast on this gravel. I'm not going to try to catch them. Babada, babada, babada. So anyway, I'm surprised because everything was supposedly paved on this ride. You know, I guess that progress has to be made. I mean, this really is an interesting country because there is a lot of poverty. There's some wealth. But nobody's unhappy. I mean, everybody seems to be happy to some degree. There are a lot of monks. You see monks all over the place. Beautiful, beautiful young girls. I mean, just gorgeous. They are so pretty. And just a very laissez-faire attitude. I mean, you can pretty much do anything you want to do as long as you're not hurting anybody. So, I'm going to stop talking for a while so I can concentrate a little bit more. Later.